Well, apart from being a very good photographer, this is what I usually do in my pastime, and one of my hidden talent, which is I am a very good painter. If you want to see the result, let me just show you in a while. Alright, it's done. There you go, my final art piece. And I have just titled this Road Climbing to Osni. Alright, seriously, the original artist of this art piece is actually Camille Pissarro, and what I'm trying to share with you guys today is this 27-inch digital canvas from Meural powered by Netgear. And why I find this thing so amazing is of course the color that it displays, and also the main point, the anti-glare. Now, if you look at all the prints beside me here, you will see glass and reflection because it is actually printed and framed using the conventional way. But with the digital canvas from Meural, you will not have all this kind of glares and reflection because it has this anti-glare coating. And well, right now you can actually present your work, your artwork, flawlessly. Alright, and also I think because of the anti-glare that it has, the overall presentation of this art piece here looks so real, and I can really smell the paint. Yeah, I think most probably it's because the paint is just right next to me. Bruh. Anyway, jokes aside, I really honestly think that this digital canvas is at the next level, and it is extremely awesome. So up next, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how do we actually upload our own photos to the canvas and present it to, as a photographer of course, to present our artwork to our clients when they actually walk into our studios. It is actually just so simple. All you need to do is just download the Meural app from if you're using an iOS, Apple App Store, or also the Google Play Store, and search for Meural. And all you need to do to show your own artwork is just to upload your photos and then just send it to the canvas. There. Simple as that. And for those that do not have your own artwork to display like us, because photographers usually we have a lot of different artwork for us to display to our clients, but art enthusiasts like yourself, you might not have your own artwork, so you can actually download a lot of unique art pieces from various artists around the world in the Meural digital library. I think they have got like 30,000 unique pieces out there for you to download. So from today onwards, every single day until the next 30,000 days, you have got different kind of art pieces hanging on your wall. Which is 82 years, where your next generation can also enjoy this digital canvas. So it's simple, go to their digital library. Again, almost the same step. Find an art piece that you like and then send it directly to the canvas. And right, like just now, what I've actually been displaying is the work Road Climbing to Osni. There. Right, so if you are an art gallery owner, a photographer like myself, or a collector of all these fine art oil paintings from various artists around the world, I think you should really get your hands on the digital canvas by Meural powered by Netgear, because you can actually display all these beautiful art pieces in a single screen. More description can be found at the description of this video. And again, I am Tong, who might be your future photographer. Bye-bye. Take care.